I made this hairstyle without using thread, needle, or even crochet pin. So if you want to know how I made this hair or how you can also style hair like this without using anything of this, watch this video till the end. First, I moisturize the hair. After that, I give it a good combing. Then before I started parting the hair. So I'm going to start from the front till the back. So I'll just take it like this till this way. So after doing this, if you see this hair now, you see that it's very soft because all my kids said they are all fresh by me. So I part the hair into 4. Yeah, this is how I part the hair. So I'm going to cut out tiny piece from this side. And yeah, this is how I'm going to curl this one. You can make the cornrow, you can make it tiny or make it big, is optional. All right, you can make it big. Kids hair sometimes is different from adult hair. This hairstyle is both for kids and adults. Adults can also make this hairstyle. All right. If this is your first time coming across my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. To our returning subscriber, we say thank you so much. So please also do follow us and for more video. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment in the comment section what you feel about, what you think about this hair. And also, if you want to know of any products I use on my kids' hair and you are interested to know, just drop it in the comment section, or you can go to the comments the description section to check it out. If not, just drop it in the comment section and I will let you know the products I'm using on their hair. So my kids said they are all fresh me, which is to never be relaxed. So this is how I'm making their hair. And if you notice it, you see that they don't have pain. Because normally when you are making fresh me, they're supposed to be complaining that it's paining them. So but when you're using the right product on your kids' hair, it make the hair soft and it make them want to keep making the hair. So what I do about this hair, this is the hair I'm going to be using. I'm using one pack, which is, I'm not going to finish it anyway, like half of it. So after I part this hair, this is what I use to thread the hair, and I just keep using it. The first one I did from the front, which is the first 2, I made it smooth. And after this, I'm not going to be making it smooth again. The reason for this is because I want it to look just like the ending of the hair. I said it before, I didn't use a thread, I didn't use needle, I didn't use crochet for this hairstyle. I just made it just this way. Try to watch this video till the end and see how we finish this hairstyle. So after 2 lines of this cornrow, I started crossing the hair. All right, and this is the same thing I use from beginning of the hair till the end. So I'm using hair cream and hair gel for the pattern. I always say it in my video that I like to use both hair cream and hair gel because even me using the two, it still give me the look that I want. That's because you moisturize your hair first. It make your hair soft. If you look at my daughter's hair now, it looks as if the hair has been retouched. Like after making it, the way it's fine and neat, it looks like it's not a fresh preemie. So we should learn to use the right product on our hair. And another thing is, we should also don't allow our hair or our kids' hair to be like do I say dried, their scalp. So because when the scalp is too dry, it damages the hair. So to avoid that, always apply oil and hair cream on the scalp of the hair. And some people will say my hair is crashing me because I apply cream a lot. It's not true. If you apply cream, maybe the cream has not got it to the scalp. So what you should do, make sure you apply cream on the scalp of your hair, not the tip, because the scalp controls the tip of your hair. And also to make tip hair is another thing. But to avoid hair damaging and all that, you have to be applying cream on down of your hair, not the tip of your hair. You can do it to the tip, but start from down first. So how I made this hair is just from the way I started it from beginning, like I said before. So now here I'm still going to make the same line. Okay, this one, this one I'm making right now is one. So in the other side where I want to cross it, I'm going to use two. So this way, this is how the front turn out to be, and the back the same way. So I hope you understand the way I'm explaining it now. Just follow my hand and you'll see how I'm doing it. And yeah, it's very easy. This hairstyle is easy, and I'm happy I'm able to like style the hair because I have another one waiting for me. So the reason I'm taking both, because the both hair are making a very easy hairstyle. This hairstyle did not take me even up to an hour before I finished the hair. So it's very easy and I like it. And flogging hair or threading, whichever way we choose to put it, it also help hair a lot. You know, most especially for our kids, because it made their hair soft, and yeah, it helps hair a lot.
I give you praise for all you've done. I worship you for who you are. Oh, I give you thanks for all you've done. I bow my knees to worship you. You are so holy, you are so gracious, you are so righteous in all the earth. You are so holy, you are so mighty, you are so faithful and just.
Now that I'm done with packing the hair, so what I did, I weave all the hair I made, I weave them just round. So the only part I left is I would kind of form one in the middle. That's where I'm going to end everything. So the way I'm making it now, I just made it round till it gets to the middle. Don't know if you're getting me. So yeah, this is how everything turned out to be, just like this. Then I cut out the remaining part. This is the one I'm going to just fold it a little. Fold it a little, use rubber band to hold it to small. So this is the hair I created myself. I use hair bands. I use a kiki coil. Like if you watch my previous video, you see how I made this hair. So I'll be using this hair for a very long time for my kids, and it's really good. It's helping me a lot. I can just pack their head just like that and use this one to wrap it at the end. So this is how we finish this hair, guys. So what do you think? Like, do you like it? So this is how it turned out to be. That's why I said I didn't use thread, no needle, no crochet, just like this. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thank you so much for your support. Thanks to you all, to my returning subscriber. God bless you all. Bye for now.